Hello, and welcome to another episode of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are going to be making a creamy garlic Parmesan broccoli with bacon. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell all your friends about Destination Bacon. Stay tuned for this week's episode. We're going to turn this into this. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 375. We're going to fry up the bacon. You'll want to use an oven-safe pan because we're also going to put this in the oven. So let's get that bacon going. We're going to chop our broccoli into nice bite-sized pieces. You can see our bacon is starting to fry up nicely. After you have removed your bacon onto a paper towel, you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it in the pan. Leave a couple tablespoons of the bacon drippings in the pan. And then we're going to add the broccoli right in here. And then put a little salt and pepper in there. Give this a little mix, and then I'll add my salt and pepper. You're going to let that broccoli cook for about 6 minutes, constantly kind of be stirring it, and then you're going to add your garlic. It's looking good, you guys. The oven has preheated. Okay, I'm going to add it said 5 cloves of garlic, but I did 6 because I really like garlic. So you're going to cook that until it's nice and fragrant, maybe 3 minutes or so. Now we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. You're going to add your 1/4 cup of chicken broth, or you could use vegetable broth. Our tablespoon of paprika, I used smoked paprika. 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And you're also going to add in half of your grated Parmesan cheese and half of your mozzarella cheese. Give that a nice mix. You're going to reduce it to a simmer and kind of let it get nice and bubbly for just a couple more minutes. Now combine your bacon. Add your bacon in the mixture. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to top this with the remaining mozzarella and the remaining Parmesan cheese. And we're going to put it into the oven for about 15 minutes. Let's top it with the rest of those cheeses. Parmesan, or mozzarella. Okay, I'm gonna pop her in the oven for about 15 minutes. Hasn't been quite 15 minutes. Basically until the cheese is bubbly and your broccoli is done the way you like it. Look at it. Cheese is all melty. Broccoli looks tender. The garlic is smelling so fragrant. Let's try it. Wow. Ooh. That looks really yummy. Oh my goodness. The cheese is completely melted. The garlic smells amazing. This is piping hot, but we're gonna go for it. Now for the taste test. It smells fantastic. So piping hot right out of the oven. Going to hopefully not completely scald my mouth. Get a bite of a little bit of everything. The broccoli, super tender. The cheese is the combination of the mozzarella and the Parmesan. It's just extra creamy. The heavy cream made it really super rich and the sauce is thick. The bacon, of course, is super smoky and savory, and it pairs so well with the cheese and the broccoli. You guys have got to make this dish. So if you do try it, please be sure to comment below. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, like, and share. I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye.